Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to insert null records into MySQL table. Make sure that you have created MySQL table in your MySQL database. Let's open MySQL first of all. Type root as password. Use a database like use db5. It will make db5 as active database. Now we have a table student in db5. Okay, now before inserting any record in this table, let's check the columns of this table and the data type. So tsc student will display the structure of this table. Okay, we have 4 columns: student id, student name, student address and dob and its respective data types. Now we have to insert null record in this table. So insert into table name student. Now values. Now the first value for the first record, so the first value will be 108. Now comma, then student name. Now student name null. Now comma, student address Delhi. Now dob, insert another null record like 109. Okay, so we have written 2 records. The first record with 108 as student id, null as student name, Delhi as student address, and the fourth one is the dob. Then the second record with 109 as student id, Radha as student name, and null as student address and student dob. Okay, press enter. Now we can see query is okay, 2 rows affected. Now let's check it whether the record has been inserted or not. Select star from student. Now here you can see it's displaying 6 records, 2 records with null values 108 and 109 having null record. So in this video we have learned how to insert null values in a record. In the next video we will learn how to update a record having null value. Friends, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and visit our website cstutorial.co.in. Thank you friends.